Habari za wanafunzi, karibuni kwa darasa la Kiswahili online. I hope you guys are doing well and working hard as usual and learning and speaking some Swahili. Today we are going to continue with our lesson on the Jima noun class. And I'm happy to tell you that today we are going to look at the Jima noun class, but nouns that you've probably encountered before in other areas, like for example when we were doing people or when we were doing parts of the body, you've already encountered, so this should be relatively easier as you go by. So as I say, Jima, singular starts with G, plural not necessarily G, remember that, but their plurals start with ma. The plural start with ma. The singular may or may not take the prefix G. For example, let's start with nouns of people. We've done some of these nouns in Mua noun class. Bibi. Bibi. Bibi is the singular. Of course, the plural will be mabibi. So it's a young lady. In Tanzania, normally they refer to grandmother as bibi, or a lady is bibi. Remember, I always tell you, call me either Mwalimu Zarina or B Zarina, because B Zarina would just come from Bibi Zarina, then you just shorten it to B Zarina. Bibi mabibi, young lady or a lady. Bwana. Bwana. Bwana is a gentleman, or if you want to call somebody with respect, it's sir. Bwana. Then we have fundi. Fundi. Fundi is a craftsman. Anybody who does anything that involves crafts, you can call them fundi. So it would either be fundi wa nguo, which is tailor, because nguo is clothes. So fundi wa nguo is like tailor. Fundi wa viatu, because viatu means what? We've done kivi noun class. Kiatu, viatu. Fundi wa viatu. Viatu is shoes, so it would be, direct translation would be maker of shoes. So it would be a cobbler. Then we have karani. Karani. Karani is a clerk or a secretary. Karani. Then we have rais. Rais or raisi. That is president. You would, if you listen to the news in Swahili, you would normally hear what they say, Raisi Uhuru Kenyatta. He is our current president, Rais Uhuru, because Raisi means president. Seremala. Seremala is a carpenter. Seremala. This one you know from before when we were doing people. Shangazi. Shangazi is your aunt, the sister to your dad. Remember, the sister to your mom is still your mom, so it's mama mkubwa or mama mdogo. But if it's the sister to your dad, it's shangazi. Shangazi. In plural would be mashangazi. Then we have tajiri. Tajiri. Tajiri is a rich person or a wealthy person. Plural would be matajiri. Then we have waziri. Waziri. Waziri is a minister. Waziri. Waziri. Minister. Then we move two parts of the body. I will go a little bit faster because you guys already know this from the song Kichwa Mabega Magoti Vidole. So bega is singular if it's just one shoulder. Then shoulders would be mabega. Bega. Goti magoti. Goti is knees. Sikio. Sikio. Sikio is ear. Masikio, ears. Tumbo. Tumbo. Tumbo is stomach or tummy. Tumbo. Matumbo. And then we move to abstract or concrete concepts. You've also encountered some of these words. Like for example, jina. Jina langu ni Bi Zarina. Jina langu ni Bibi Zarina. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Zarina. Jina is name. Names is majina. Jua, we've done this before. If it's a noun, it's the sun. If it's a verb, it's to know something. Jua. Kosa is a new one here. Kosa. Kosa is a mistake. Makosa is mistakes. Umekosa. If I told you umekosa, it means you've made a mistake. Kosa. Kosa. Then we have neno. Neno is a word. Maneno, words. Neno. Neno. Shauri. Shauri is advice. Shauri. Shauri. Somo also comes from the same root word with soma. Remember, soma means read or study. So, but when I say somo, somo means a lesson. Masomo is lessons. So if I say somo la Kiswahili, somo la Kiswahili, it means direct translation would be somo la Kiswahili would be a lesson of Swahili. But the correct translation would be Swahili lessons. Sasa ni saa ya somo la Kiswahili. Wazo. Wazo, mawazo. Wazo. Wazo is a thought. A thought. Wazo. Zungumzo. Zungumzo. It is not completely new. It comes also from the word that you already know. Zungumza. Zungumza we've done. Zungumza means to talk. Zungumza. Talk. But if you say zungumzo, zungumzo, that's a conversation. Conversation. Zungumzo. Then the last category we look at today is G. So this is, for example, if I want the normal noun class prefix will be the G, or it doesn't have a prefix, but then the plural will take ma. So these are words that we've encountered in other classes, but then depending on how they're used as a prefix or suffix, it can tell you, like for example, mdudu is an insect. Mdudu is insect. So this is in the more noun class. But if you say wadudu, insects. But then if you say dudu, dudu, that would mean a large insect. it implies something huge. Dudu, madudu. Mtu is also in the mua noun class. Mtu, watu. But if you say jitu, it implies that it's something huge. So it's usually a giant. Jitu, majitu. Jitu, majitu, from the word mtu, two. Then we have nyoka for snake. So if it's a huge, large snake, you say joka. Joka. Plural would be majoka, which is large snakes. Then nyumba, you know this word nyumba. Naenda nyumbani, I am going home. Nyumba is a house. Nyumbani is home. So if I want to imply a huge building, I would say jumba. Jumba, majumba. Then we have moto, which refers to fire, but if I want to say heat that's really hot, I will say joto. Joto, majoto. Joto, majoto, which is heat, really hot. Heat. And those are the words that I have for today. I still have exercises that you will do on WordWall and exercises that you will do on Quizlet. You can check out this document just to refer or listen to me to see how you pronounce, and then do the exercises. Asanteni sana. I can't wait to see you guys again and continue working hard. Tutaonana baadaye. Kwaheri.